So let's start our discussion. CBSE in technical collaborations with DIC, NEGD, DigiLocker Access has also been extended to the students of CBSE affiliated schools abroad. CBSE 2024 students outside India can also access their digital mark sheets and the certificates in the following two ways: via DigiLocker after declaration of results. So if you think that you have the access of the documents, now it's not possible. First of all, when the result will be declared, then only you will have the offer for the documents like which will be issued to you after the declaration of results, right? So option one is by visiting the portal. Directly you can visit the portal and you can have the access, but you need an access code. Second is option two, by creating a ticket on this particular site with the category CBSE International Student 2024. So if you are studying in a CBSE affiliated school outside India, either you can directly visit the portal or you can create a ticket on this particular website with the category CBSE International Student 2024. So here this kind of window will appear to you, right? So welcome to DigiLocker support. In process of our continued efforts to improve the user experience, all your past conversations will be available for your reference in check ticket status. Onwards, we will encourage you to use our ticket system only. Assure your best of cooperation. So DigiLocker support Government of India, and here you have to mention your email address. Then you have to submit it, right? Now next is the various options mentioned are explained below. So let's discuss about these two options in more detail so that you will get an access to your digital documents. Option number one is follow the steps to access the mark sheets and the certificates via the DigiLocker portal. First is you have to visit this particular website and there you have to write the required details. What would be the required details? It should be your roll number. It should be the class in which with which you had given the CBSE board exams, and then you have to mention your date of birth. Here you don't need to get the access code as it was useful for the students who are studying in India and who are studying in India and CBSE affiliated schools, right? Then is click on submit as shown in the screenshot below. Then you have to click on the submit button. Now you can see your result as shown below, right? So go to the footer as shown in the screenshot and click on the tab. Click here. Now you have to click there, access DigiLocker now, right? Click here and here you will get your result like that. Here you will get your mark sheet like that. Is it visible here? Are you a foreign CBSE student? To get your authentic digital mark sheet on your email, you have to click there. If you want this particular mark sheet that will be visible in your email address, you have to click there. Then this mark sheet will be available to you there. And now get your authentic CBSE digital mark sheet in DigiLocker. Access DigiLocker. So these are the simple steps that can be used by you to access your mark sheets, right? Digital mark sheets. Now enter your roll number, date of birth, phone number, and email ID. Then click on submit button, right? So you have to mention all your details like your roll number, like the class you had appeared for, your date of birth, your mobile number, your email address, and then you have to click on the submit button, and that's how you will have your digital mark sheet that will be sent to you to your email address, right? So your requested CBSE mark sheet will be sent on your email address, right? Now the option number 3, student can access the mark sheet and the certificate by creating a ticket. This is another way to access to your mark sheet and the certificates. So what you have to do with the category CBSE International Student 2024. Yeah, firstly you have to visit this particular website. There you have to create a ticket. And for creating a ticket, what kind of informations will be needed from your side? You have to mention, look at this particular page. You have to mention your name, your full name, then you have to mention your mobile number, right? And then CBSE International Student 2024, then subcategory means to say for which class you want your results, and then you have to mention all these details and you have to submit it, and that's the another way to access your mark sheets and the digital documents. And these particular informations are useful for the students who are studying in the school which are outside India but they are CBSE affiliated, right? So please let me know in the comment box if you have any query or if you want to discuss anything related with your studies or exams or how to set your timetable for your further studies. I'll help you in that. And please like and share this particular session with your friends also and subscribe to my YouTube channel also. Bye bye guys. Take care.